Wait. There is no point in skipping through this video. I have left a link to the model in an info card, which will randomly pop up in this video, so make sure to watch till the end. I will promise you that once you start subscribing to this channel and watching all of the newer videos which will come, then you will develop the perfect Roblox developer mindset to earn the best amount of Robux. You have probably been playing Roblox for a while now. You have probably watched videos of your favorite YouTubers playing the games you play, and you probably look up to the extreme amounts of Robux these YouTubers, but also Roblox developers make. That's probably the reason why you have started development in the first place. None of those giveaway channels have probably helped you out in the long run. You might have been able to collect a bunch of decent models, but you cannot really make an entire game out of it. I'm MERTO, and I've been down the same path. I'm a developer for almost 6 years now, and had problems in developing myself. I have started so many games and cancelled them later on. I was scammed by people who I worked with several times, and I witnessed much more. I will now share my 6 years of experience on this platform with you on this channel, so make sure to stay subscribed. In this video, I will share you a Gomu Gatling which contains a Bezier curve. The tutorial for this model will follow within the next days. Till then, make sure to stay subscribed. This Gomu Gatling is a little bit glitchy. Once you face into a certain direction, the Gatling arms will look a little bit weird. I hope that you're able to fix it because I did not find out a fix for that yet. But with that being said, enjoy.